sisters. They're... and you're... different. If I say Butterball, does that bother you at all? No? How about Walter? How would you like to go for a swim?
I'd love to. Mama.
Thank heavens for that. I knew you were one of mine. Now, you're going to take the others down to the water's edge for their first swimming lesson. So how about me and you doing the same right here at the water's edge? Nothing fancy, mind, just the basics to get you started. It's a bit nippy, but we'll soon warm up. The most important thing is not to be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid. Can we swim over to that island?
Oh, good gracious, no. Why, it's much further than you think. I haven't been that far since your father and I were courting. And I didn't mean to go that far then. Now, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Just do as I do, and you should take to it like a dove. You should take to it.
Hello, Ducky.
Who are you?
I'm your friend.
I haven't got any friends. Everyone hates me because I'm ugly.
Oh, they're too cruel. I think you look delicious.
What did you say?
I said, poultry can be so malicious. Look at them guzzling all that bread.
It's supposed to be really nice. It's French.
À l'orange. Do you mean to say that they didn't let you have any?
Not a crumb.
Take some